Okay, you guys, so I'm back with you guys. Today I decided I'm still getting comfortable with this lighting because it still shows like way too white, so I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to record this look, the mermaid look, very fast. So this is a wearable look in case if you want to go to work or so. I already did my eyebrows. They're showing up purple because they're kind of like greenish. But you'll see the pictures. I think I'm gonna have to take off the green screen, so well, the background, so this won't show purple. So let's see, you guys. So I'm excited to do this look, and it's very wearable for like for work and stuff like that if you want to go, especially when it's retail, because I know we're not supposed to go all out. So let's see, as my brows are done, I'm gonna go right here with the white, and I'm gonna use the Metron Clown White. You can hardly see that. There you go. This one right here, I'm gonna put it all over right here, and kind of go over the other one. And then this is where you can get a little bit creative if you want it thicker scales or just as it is. I'm just gonna leave it kind of like that. I'm not gonna stretch too much. I'm gonna go with the 35B Morphe, and I'm gonna use this color. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh my gosh, you actually reflect. That is cool. All the greens and blues, they're actually reflecting. Okay, let me see what other color I can use, because let me see. No, none of them from here. That is cool though. It shows the background. Okay, so we cannot use those colors because it is coming out in the background. So let's try the Morphe Picasso. Let's see these ones. All of them the same. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. So we'll go with this purple then. It's gonna stain my, no, it's actually like blue. Let's see the purple in here. Pink. Let's try let's see. I'm gonna go with the pink one. So we're gonna do pink scales. I didn't think it was gonna come out that the background because it's green. I was like, nah, it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna go in with another fluffy brush like this from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna dip it into that blue. Let's see how this one kind of shows. We're gonna give it kind of like that wet look effect with this one right here with the NYX. I just stick to the 12P Picasso palette, and let me see what colors again they were transparent. Damn, this one just like literally, it's a blue one right off the spot. Just like, look. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I didn't want to do purple because it kind of stained my eye, but I guess I have no choice because this one shows purple and it's actually, well, no, it is a purple. Well, we'll do, it's kind of like a blue and it shows purple here. Like, it's a blue color. Okay, so yeah, we'll just, I didn't want it to, but I have to because all the colors are just like gonna be pointless right now if I try to record them and the background is gonna come out through them. So okay, we're gonna use that purple on the cut crease. Now with the white one from NYX, we're gonna go use this one, and we're gonna put in our lid. And then for my right here, the half of a lid, I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX HD translucent powder in white. Anyways, and then I'm gonna get very little with a fluffy brush. Gonna get very little right here in the pink. We're gonna kind of put it right here. Now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Define a Line in Black Ebony, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, even the green. Oh my god. Let me just put it. No, it's still gonna show. It's a green one. I was gonna show you, but it reflects the background. Let's see, we have JB ones. Let's see. And then we have the Curly Queen, which is this one's. So let me see which one. It kind of hides my look. So that's a no. Let's try the JB ones. Okay, well, they both hide the look, but this one at least you can kind of see through. a little bit more. So we're gonna go with this one. So this is the winner, guys. You see how it's giving me the effect, kind of like that very sexy eyelashes. Yeah. Okay. Oh, thankfully I'm almost done. Okay. Now that I'm done with everything else, I'm gonna go in with the telescopic carbon black from L'Oreal. Now that I prepare my face, I'm gonna add up a little bit of the Pacifica pineapple flower, so it can be matte, just the bottom. I literally just squeeze one drop, and I just kind of tap all over to make sure you get, and this little hair is gonna get to me. That's when you go into your beauty blender and just kind of try to, you're not gonna take away that much of the foundation, but you're just gonna make it look like an airbrush look. I'm already running out of my Revlon Photo Ready concealer. Like, watch, ready. Oh my gosh, that is it. Oh shit, there was more. Okay, so I'm almost done. I need to go buy a new one. Oh, that was funny. I didn't think it was that little. I was like, it could survive like 2 more weeks. Yeah, right. Then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer, and it is in the color Fair. Go in with my beauty blender, the small one from Real Techniques, and just kind of now that we done on it, I'm gonna go in with my, oh my gosh, I hate this light even more and more. I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't gotten how to fix the light. It's showing white, and if I turn on the other one, it's even white. So she don't even go here. I don't even know what to do. Okay, so I'm gonna use now my Airspun right here. Oh my gosh, just like blur it out. And for this right here, I'm gonna use translucent, and from the bottom I'm gonna use the suntan. And then now we're gonna contour and all of it. Okay, so on this one is naturally powder for like for the face. So I went to go get the darkest shade in there. Let me open it, see if it shows better. Well, it shows. There you go. I got the darkest shade, and now I use this as my contour. I'm gonna go with the 10 color blush from I don't even know from where. I think I got it on Amazon or eBay for like $6, honey. So I apologize, guys. I just wanted to record this because all the looks that I've been doing, I haven't been recording them, and I feel bad because a lot of them, they were like, oh, I'm pretty sure she did a YouTube, stuff like that, and I didn't. So it's just like, you're slacking it, Cindy, you're slacking it. So I went by and did this look for you guys. Okay, so for the palette, the black light highlight palette that I'm gonna use is gonna be the, sorry, black light, the 6 color palette. And you see how it's actually reflecting the blue on this one. It does show okay, so okay, we're almost done, girl. We're gonna go with Electra. I just literally swipe one time, and then I tap it on the towel because it does show a little too white. Oh my gosh, it's a little too white. That's fine. Girl. Oh, great. You know what? No. Let me take it off because it is reflecting my background again. It's going to be this one right here. The number is going to be 10. It's kind of like a purple. So let's apply that one better. We're wearing this. Oh my god, wow. I am so sorry, you guys. I wasn't looking forward that it was going to blend, but it's a blue. Oh, this is going to get to me. Okay. Okay, honey. It's not even gonna get on the camera. And I was so excited to show you guys, like, oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Anyway, so that's that for my look. I am so sorry it's not coming out. I'm gonna switch the camera right now so you guys can see how it looks, everything, the final finish. And then the picture is gonna come out definitely, so you guys can see how this looks. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and as always, hit it with a thumbs up and give me your opinions of what you think for this look, guys. Thank you for watching and love you guys. Bye bye. Okay, you guys, so this is the look, how it comes out without the background of it. So this is the look that I did for you guys.